jail. Please don't take me.
Give me your hands.
I promise you I'll pay my fine.
Turn around.
I can't go to jail, lose my job.
Turn around.
I promise.
292, other units.
This video is for educational and informational purposes only. It does not intend to glorify or endorse any actions. Viewers are encouraged to understand and follow their local laws and ethical standards. Law enforcement officers face unpredictable situations daily. In this video, we analyze a real-life police encounter, focusing on proper procedures, safety measures, and legal considerations.
Stop right here. Come here! Stop! Police! Stop! Police! 292 pursuit. Stop! Police! Stop! Come here!
I can't go to jail. Please don't take me.
Give me your hands.
I promise you I'll pay my fine.
Turn around!
I can't go to jail, lose my job.
Turn around!
I promise.
Give me your hands.
My other hand's underneath you.
Give me your hand.
I'm trying to give it to you.
Give me your hand now.
I'm trying to give it to you. What am I being arrested for?
Because you're running from police. 292, other units.
I can't go to jail, man. I'm going to lose my job. I can't pay you off. I lose my
292, I'm secure with a female.
I lose my job. I can't pay you off. I work as a security guard. They will fire me. It's the only reason why I ran.
Okay,
I can't lose.
stand up.
I got a bad leg.
Okay, where's your car at? Okay, we're gonna walk that way. Over here.
I have money to bond myself out. I have a bail bondsman come to pick up Leslie Bruner. I'm going to need the same bail bondsman.
All right, can you get out? My radio's not working.
Because I rescheduled with y'all, and then when I called back, I had 5 warrants issued for me. And I had to go to work.
292, I'm secure.
During a routine patrol, officers identified a woman with outstanding warrants and attempted to make contact. Upon approach, she fled on foot, prompting a brief chase. The officers quickly pursued, giving clear verbal commands to stop. Within moments, they safely detained her using minimal force, ensuring compliance without unnecessary escalation. A subsequent search revealed illegal substances, leading to an arrest based on probable cause. Throughout the encounter, the officers demonstrated professionalism, effective communication, and adherence to legal procedures. This case highlights the importance of de-escalation tactics, proper pursuit protocol, and legal adherence in law enforcement. Understanding these procedures helps foster safer interactions between officers and the public.